Lila AI is one of the most exciting and innovative AI tools recently released, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're new to Lila AI and wondering how it could transform your business or personal workflow, stick around because this review will cover exactly what you need to know before diving in. First off, what makes Lila AI stand out is its versatility. It's designed to handle multiple tasks, ranging from content creation to customer service automation, making it one of the most comprehensive AI solutions you'll find. It's a robust software, packed with features that aim to streamline operations, and I'm going to dive into those features right now. The interface is incredibly intuitive, even if you've never used AI software before. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with Lila AI. It's built with ease of use in mind, so whether you're managing content for a website, generating social media posts, or even automating email responses, Lila's clean and simple interface allows you to dive straight in. One of the things that really stands out with Lila AI is its AI-powered content generation capabilities. Whether you're writing blog posts, generating product descriptions, or even scripting social media posts, Lila can do it all with surprising accuracy and creativity. It can generate text based on specific parameters, saving you hours of brainstorming, editing, and rewriting. But it doesn't just stop at content creation. Lila AI is a powerhouse when it comes to automating customer interactions. With its smart chatbots, you can automate your customer service and response system, ensuring you never miss a lead or a customer query again. These bots can handle everything from basic FAQs to more complex inquiries, all while providing a personalized touch. Lila also shines in its ability to integrate seamlessly with other tools you may already be using. It connects with a wide range of platforms, including email marketing tools, CRMs, and social media schedulers. This means you're not starting from scratch. Instead, Lila becomes an extension of your existing workflows, enhancing efficiency. Another key feature is its analytics. Lila AI offers detailed reports and insights that help you track how well your content is performing, the effectiveness of automated interactions, and overall ROI. It gives you the data you need to make informed decisions and continually improve your operations. It's not just about doing more, it's about doing more with precision. Now, let's talk about its pricing. Lila AI offers a free version, and yes, you can try the software for free by clicking the first link below. This is an excellent opportunity for anyone new to AI tools, giving you a risk-free way to explore its features before committing to anything. So if you're looking to scale your operations, streamline your workflows, or even boost your digital marketing efforts, Lila AI could be exactly what you need. But don't just take my word for it. Try it out yourself and see how it fits your needs. Before you go, I've got a list of AI software tools I've personally tested and recommend. You can find them all in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I stand behind, and they offer free trials for you to explore. Remember, Lila AI is the future of efficiency, whether you're creating content, automating customer service, or analyzing data. It's an all-in-one solution that's worth checking out, so don't miss out.